In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a single check from QuickBooks. If you only need to print one check and you want to do it quickly without sorting through a lot of extra options, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside QuickBooks and make sure the check is ready to print properly. To begin, look to the top left corner of your QuickBooks screen and click the plus icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the quick access actions for creating and managing transactions. Once you click it, a menu will open with several options. From that menu, select Print Checks. This will take you to the area where you can review the checks that are available to print. If you're printing a single check, this is where you'll narrow it down and choose the exact one you want. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct check, especially if there are multiple checks waiting in the list. Next, find the check you want to print and select it. After that, click Preview and Print. This step is helpful because it gives you a chance to review the check before sending it to your printer. In the preview, you can confirm that the correct check has been selected and that everything appears the way you expect. This is a good habit because it can help you avoid wasting check stock or printing the wrong transaction. Once you've reviewed the preview and everything looks good, go ahead and click Print. At that point, QuickBooks will send the check to your printer and your single check will be printed, and that's it. The process is very straightforward. Open the plus icon, go to Print Checks, select the check you want, choose Preview and Print, and then click Print. As a quick tip, before printing, make sure your check paper is loaded correctly in the printer so the alignment comes out properly. If your printer settings are already set up the way you need them, this should only take a few seconds from start to finish. That's all there is to printing a single check from QuickBooks. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and easy task.